Apple has just unveiled the iPhone 17 series, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a complete redesign. From the all-new iPhone 17 Air to the powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro Max, here's everything you need to know, starting with the iPhone 17 base model. 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina display, powered by the A19 Bionic chip with boosted efficiency, dual 48MP cameras for better low-light performance, slimmer design, lighter body, starting price around Rs $79,999 or $799, moving up to the iPhone 17 Pro 6.3-inch promotion display with 120Hz refresh rate, new A19 Pro chip with 12GB RAM, triple 48MP camera system with improved 5x telephoto zoom, price expected around Rs $125,000 or $109.99, and finally the iPhone 17 Pro Max, giant 6.9-inch promotion OLED display, same A19 Pro chip but larger battery life, up to 30 hours video playback, exclusive periscope zoom camera for pro photographers, price Rs $145,000 or $103.99, 3 incredible options, each designed for different needs and budgets, advanced cameras, powerful chips, and stunning displays across the entire lineup. Pre-orders start this Friday, with availability beginning next month. The future of smartphones is here with the iPhone 17 series. Subscribe for more tech updates and hit the bell for notifications. Which iPhone 17 will you choose? Let us know in the comments below.